pleasant day. Blessed. Then someone that rains on our parade. They removed one cancer just to find another.
This is not the conversation we should be having right now.
We're going after a CIA asset that's been captured.
Is this your first mission in theater, JTAC?
Second.
Do me a favor. Keep up. The last thing we need in this op is have to save your ass.
The hell are these guys?
Local militia.
Yo, hand over in 5.
I'm ready. I am your eyes in the sky and the bringer of doom.
Subtle. I got movement.
We got a situation. RPG 12 o'clock. Incoming!
Weapons away.
Reaper, you there? Reaper.
We're here, Playboy. You gotta get your ass on the move, son.
Come on, soldier.
Hang in there, okay?
Blackbird, can you stay in the area?
Yeah, get him! Go for it! Go for it!
Playboy, are you injured?
Can't talk right now. I get it. This is not where you want to be. Okay, it's not here. It's not here. It's here.
3 hostiles heading your way.
Do not move. There's no way I am off this op.
Remember your training.
This is gonna get ugly.
Our priority is protecting the men and women who serve this country.
5,
4, 3.
2, 1.
You gotta move, man.